am trying to not take away any metal. All I want to take away is what rust. What rust is left on the engine is about all I want to take off. Try to get that right there out of there. It's too rough. And then we're going to tap that hole there. Well, let's see if we can get it. We're going to cut off this that noise maker there. That'd be a little better on us. Let's see if we can't get this off here. I didn't want to clean this up no more until I kind of knew I could get this plug that somebody put in this where you fill the gas tank at. We'll get it off there, but we probably won't reuse that. Right, what's on there? Let's see if we got something to help her out. Well, let's just see. That was PB Blaster in a little squirt can, plastic. So it works real well. When you spray that stuff, you know it gets everywhere. I'm going to get that one. Watch out now. It will get your thumb, and if it ever gets your thumb, man, or that pointer finger. Hey, this is just the way that I'm doing it. There's 100 different ways that you could remove this. I mean 100. This is just the way I do it. And it was about halfway out whenever we started. And if you see, I went the other way and then started back the other way. I guess the reason for that would be I want to know, oh yeah, I want to know that them threads right there are, oh that's good, that they're good. And we did get it out. It was stuck pretty good. And we could put that back in there if we want to. I mean, we'll clean it up and see. I don't know. I doubt we'll put that back on there. I'm not going to tell that lie. Well, not too bad. I don't know if y'all can see it there. But let's see if we got it. I don't know. Let's see if we got one to fit it there. No. Let's see here. Oh yeah. I am trying to not take away any metal. All I want to take away is what rust. What rust is left on the engine is about all I want to take off. Well, I wanted to do a close-up, and y'all hear that train horn? You can see right here that we have pushed that in. It's coming out this other side over here into that there. So we'll have to get that one down there out also. Right here. And once you get it pushed in about that much, it gets pretty easy. And all I'm doing, I'm holding this one with a crescent wrench, and I'm turning this one in turn pushing this in. So we're just going to carry on with that, and you know, it's something to say about a train horn in the distance. It's quite pleasant. It really is. Well, we're going to get back to it and get these here out. And I'm going to turn you off. I'll show you. I'll update you here in just a second. Okay, I'm going to show y'all what we're going to do. We're going to get these bushings right here out. And I think I'm going to use one of these old bushings that I've already got out by cutting it. I couldn't get it to push out. So we're going to take this in there to the grinder and grind all that right there down and get it just a little bit undersized of what it is, so it can go through that hole without hitting anything. And that'll give us enough clearance to push it all the way through without stopping and choking up on our washers here. And I got a pretty good stack, but I would rather just put one of these big ones on the back, like this here, and then hook it up, and push that thing through, you got to have something on the other side just a little bit bigger. And we're going to go in there and get that and take this and put it on the grinder and cut that down. Now, this right here is going to be our new bushings, and we've already put them on our, and we got a really good fit. I don't know if y'all can see it there. I mean, there is no play at all in that bushing there, just none. Really good fit. So we got one over here too, and it's also a really good fit. I mean, hardly none at all. Got us a good shaft, a really good governor, good teeth. It's even got that flapper thing. A lot of them don't have this flapper built into that nail there, where the spring is that goes out to hit that latch out block, But anyway, I'll when I put this on this engine, I'll kind of go into a little more detail about how all that works. It all goes in this little housing here, and I'll kind of go through that. And this is a reverse thread, so if you're trying to take one off, remember that, because you will you'll tear up your governor really quick. This one here comes with a lock washer, and we did secure us a new lock washer, same bolt that came on it, just a new lock washer. And you can see that is a new one, actually the correct washer. The reason why I point that out is because it took some time to find that, where they're not like this, and that just stands out like a sore thumb. Somebody a couple years down the road takes this apart for some reason, which whenever I seal this up on here, I intend to not have to take that apart ever again. I mean, we're talking way some more years. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, and I'm gonna go in here and grind down one of these, but we'll be able to push it through there just a little bit undersized of one of these, and I'll come back and show you.